Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Regular maintenance significantly improves your car's performance. Change engine oil and filters according to the manufacturer's schedule, inspect and replace spark plugs, and check tire pressure and alignment. Regularly cleaning or replacing the air filter ensures optimal engine air intake, while a well-maintained cooling system prevents overheating, ensuring your car runs smoothly and efficiently.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.